So Teeter's a family business. It was started by my parents because of my dad's own journey with back pain and grew out of the garage. And today we've helped almost 3 million people get relief of back pain.
When it comes to assembly instructions, it's really important. They're hanging upside down, secured by their ankles on something they're gonna partly put together. You gotta be kidding me. There's some insecurity there.
BILT is an amazing tool in that the customer can interface with it unlike anything else. We definitely provide paper instructions as well, and I think you have to give them a variety of options to interface with, but they cannot compare to the experience that you get with using the app. The ease of which you can follow the process, see the detail is unparalleled. And I don't care how good you make paper instructions, they just can't connect with the customer in the same way. In fact, when I do live TV with the product, I actually queue up the BILT app and it is part of my sales process. Their first question is, how much time is this going to take me? How hard is this really? Can I do it? And then when we can show them how easy that assembly process can be, it takes that obstacle away and it results in more sales. I think if a company is truly interested in customer service, there's not a better app out there. It truly delivers on improving the customer experience.